Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to guide you through the process of signing up for Amazon Prime and adding family members to your account. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. If you already have an Amazon account, sign in. If not, create a new account by clicking on the Account and Lists tab and selecting New Customer. Start here. Follow the instructions to set up your account. Once you're logged in, locate the Try Prime or Join Prime button on the Amazon homepage. Click on it to start the sign-up process for Amazon Prime. You will need to choose a plan, either a monthly or annual subscription. Select the one that suits you best and click on Continue to proceed. Enter your payment information and billing address to complete the sign-up process. Now that you're an Amazon Prime member, you can add family members to your account to share the benefits. Go to the Account and Lists tab and select Your Prime membership. Look for the Manage Your Household option and click on it. From there, you can add an adult by sending an invitation via email. They will need to accept the invitation and link their Amazon account to yours to enjoy Prime benefits. If you want to add teens or kids to your Amazon Prime account, you can set up Amazon household profiles for them. Simply go to the Your Account page, select Amazon Household, and follow the instructions to add family members under the appropriate profile. This allows you to manage and monitor their purchases while still sharing Prime benefits. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to sign up for Amazon Prime and add family members to your account. Start enjoying fast shipping, exclusive deals, streaming services, and more with your loved ones today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.